Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Pav Yadav. So today I'm going to discuss with you the one website. The website name is Backlit. This website having domain authority is 71 and the page authority is 68 and the spam score is the 1%. And I can show you the website authority domain rating. So this website having 85 domain rating and I can show you in a similar web. So this website having 3.1 million monthly visitors. So that is the good thing. And the second thing is this website providing a DoFollow backlink. Okay. So this website getting traffic from USA and from mostly from USA. And you have to see this guys from little bit Spanish and the UK and the India also. So now we can start. So first thing we can gonna to sign up now. So there are a multiple option to you can choose which are option is suitable for you. So there are option. So we can choose. We can choose other option. So here are we are successfully signed up now. So what we can do? So first thing what we can do? We can optimize our profile. So you have to see this guy. This is our public profile. So now we can start editing. So first we have to upload our profile picture. And the second thing we can update our profile bio. So we can go to copy our profile description. Here are you have to publish your profile URL where you want to backlink. If you have a banner image, so you can go with that, but for my case I don't have. So now we can check we are successfully updated our profile. So now we can go to check this is a do follow and the no follow profile backlink. So you have to see this guys, this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow. So first thing we are completed our profile creation and I can segregate this URL. And after that what we can do, this website providing also another benefits, the kind of a bookmarking. You have to see this guys on the left corner. So how you can create, you have to click button for the create collaboration. The first thing you have to create a group. Okay, whatever things you want for you. For the my case I can going to create a, a group for the, and now you have to submit a description for that. So for the my case I don't have a content, so that's why I'm a posting my video content. So there are there are a facility to you have to Now what we can see, and there are a option to you have to submit your backlink. So you have to see this, guys. This is our backlink. We are successfully posted now. And after that, what we can do, we can going for the share option. So you have to, first thing you can do, publish this article, and after that you are able to grab your landing page URL. Who can view? To you have to allow for the anyone can view your articles. So first thing we have to go to copy now, and after that we can check in a incognito tab for this article. So you have to see this, guys. We are successfully instant approval approved this content, and after that you have to see this, guys. Your is a backlink is live now. So if you are watching, guys, till and so thanks for the watching, and please subscribe my channel. This is a 100% do follow article backlink. This website can provide 100% do follow articles services, and after that you have to create a one things also having, you have to create a profile on your businesses. Okay. So if you're watching till end, guys, so thanks for the watching, and please subscribe my channel. And now we can meet on the next video, another video. If you want something else from my side, so you have to share your thoughts on a comment box, and after that I can think about that. I can make a video for that, for that topic. If you have anywhere any confusion about the on page SEO technicals, any paid advertisement kind of things, anything, so you have to share your thoughts on a comments box, and I can also provide this backlink on a description section in a comment box. So thanks for the watching, guys, and please subscribe my channel, and if possible to please do share with your friends, because I'm a new and I wanted to grow my channel, because you know, guys, there are a market issue, so that's why I was thinking to I can fly my hands to everywhere to I can secure myself. So that's why I was doing that, and I want to want things to I can, if I know every anything. So is there a responsibility to I can share with you, because I never is knowledge is not a good thing to you can hide on yourself with yourself only. So that's why I was wanting to, I was, if I know anything, so I can share with you guys. So thanks for the watching, and please subscribe my channel. Bye bye, guys. Take care.